Hi everyone. Right, as you can see, remember I had that cushion and I took these layers off. So Judy, you're having this. So what I'm doing is, because it matches, it really does. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift that and I'm going to sew that onto it. So you've got that, then that will fall over it, and then that one as well. I just think it needed another layer because these layers are not too wide apart, but that one is. So I'm going to pop that on. Yes, that's what, excuse me, that's what I'm going to do. So, oops. Right, everyone. First of all, I've sent out quite a few customers some invoices. Now, check your folder for the invoices. Check your spam folders as well, because some of them are saying, oh, you haven't sent it, I can't find it. It's not me. You need to go look at your folders and check. I have sent the invoices out. Now, I say to everybody, I'm sending them early, but I know people get paid on various days. So you pay when you're ready. Obviously, don't leave it too long. Now, Peg, I'm not sure whether you're getting my mail or not, because I know you've commented on the videos since I've done this, but I have written to you, love, and sent you an invoice via PayPal. I've sent you an invoice via Wix, the website for the shop. I've sent you messages via email, and I've sent you messages via the shop. One, I hope you're okay, but you have commented, so I know that you're there, but I'm not sure if you're receiving any of my mail. You might need to go and subscribe again. But you asked for that green bag with the pearl trim round, which I've done, and I have sent you several. That's why I'm wondering, is everything okay? Just drop me a line and let me know. I really don't mind holding on to things. But the Wix website, because I've sent you an invoice through that, keeps popping up saying overdue, overdue, overdue. So I don't know if you're getting my messages or my invoices. So I do need to know from you, Peggy, if you still want it. If not, I can pass it on to somebody else. You know, there's always somebody out there. It was the desktop caddy with the handle that I made. And you asked me about it, and I did send you the invoice after that. So I don't know what to do, because I've also written to you to ask if you're okay. Is everything fine? Are you in hospital or whatever? So please, Peggy, please let me know. Keep, you know, put me out my misery. I'm not bothered about waiting for payment. It's not that. I just want to make sure, one, you want it, and two, you're okay, love. Okay? So that's that. What I've got at the side of me is a big tub. Oh no, I've got to use some of the new laces. Well, let's make a flower from the new laces. Now, I know some of you only look at the first page on the Wix website. You don't realise there's more than that. You have to scroll or press on the link below at the bottom of the page for the new one. You know, for the next page. I will be coming back to finishing these off, folks. I have started to do the mouse fur. And I've got to do the bottom of that. But yeah, and then they'll be for sale as well. So let's have a look, see what we've got here. I've got this one. I love this one. Look at that, gorgeous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You only need 12 scallops per flower. So I'm going to do this one, and I don't want that on because I can't stand it. So I'm just going to cut all of that off. No good to me. Oh, I need the glue gun on, silly ass Fiona. And I need my needle. There we go. Yes, so please do check out, look out for your invoices. Now, when you've ordered, and you've ordered quite a bit, there's postage. The shop is only charging you so much. Sometimes your parcel are heavier than what you've paid for. So if you get another invoice from me for a couple of pound or whatever, I have to charge for the extra shipping. I can't say, oh, we'll let that go, because I'm running a business. So you might find, and I do generally write to you, that you might have a little bit extra to pay on shipping if your parcels are heavy. But our shipping's quite reasonable. I've got people shopping with me from Germany, South Africa, America, New Zealand, Australia, Canada. And because of the price of the goods, the shipping's fine. There's no need to worry about it whatsoever. Right, I'm just going to get some thread. Yeah, don't worry about the shipping, because you do save eventually. A lot of people won't shop because they think it's going to be too expensive. And it's not as expensive as they think. That's the whole point. Right, so just going to sew this one. I need to make sure I've got the right and wrong way. That's the wrong way. This is the right way. And we just put a straight running stitch in it. Yeah. Yeah, I did write to most people this time about those that make orders that's not on the shop. When you've ordered a bag or you've ordered something else. Or you want me to put something by before it sells out, because I do that a lot. Then I generally do let you know that I'm sending your invoices out and just to pay when you're ready. I have no problem with that. I'm very, very relaxed in regards to things like that. And, yeah. I know that, I mean, you won't get it unless you pay for it. It's as simple as that, do you know what I mean? So, you know, that's why I've got no problem in putting things by for people. And I like doing that, because who wants to miss out on a good deal? And we often get things in the shop that are really good deals. And people go, oh, I don't get paid for another week. Will there be any left? Can you put... And I go, no, I'll put one by for you. So there you go. I do things like that. I know what it's like. I have to say, I'm not silly. And I try and do my best to get my customers to get what they want. Now, I'm just going to triple knot this. Not for any particular reason, other than it's a little bit safer with an extra knot here and there. There. Just do that. Oh, look at it. Just look how that looks. Isn't that pretty? Probably 10 would have done, but I've put extra in because I like them like that. So, let's just seal this up here. And we just add those two together like that. Finger and thumb in the middle, and just separate it like that, pulling out all that. That's it. And then we can pop it on here. Like that, and just spread that out. Isn't that pretty? So I might cut that down a bit, yeah. So that's why I've only put it in the middle for now. So I might just cut that down. Yeah, like that. There we go. Pretty. So let's see what we're going to do next. Well, I've got another kind here. I'm going to go for this one. So I've got the bit of this spare. So you don't want much. Got my little pot at the side of me with all my trimmings in. Yeah, update on my brother-in-law. He's having a drain fitted permanently because his lungs keep filling up with fluid. So, you know, I'm doing okay on the blood thinners. No side effects or anything like that. And I am still getting the palpitation. I'm still getting the flutters and now and again sharpness, but not as I am not getting the sharpness as much. But the flutters are the same. So and yesterday my heart did a couple of races on its own. Like I were running, you know, when you get your heart goes really fast. And I was thinking, shit, I'm just sat here, what the hell? So yeah, I'm noting it all down for the doctor when I see him. Or the cardiologist, should I say. So yeah. Isn't that pretty? See, and they don't take long to do, they really don't. Oops. Just do that. Now, that looks bigger, doesn't it? So do you know what I'm going to do? We're going to change that up. Because there's no point in hiding it. It's such a beautiful lace. Don't hide things, it's not nice. So I'm going to do that one there instead first. Pretty, isn't it? You could layer them. Do so many. And I'm going to pop that one on. That looks gorgeous. And let me just see, because I do have... Let me just find one. I need a little doily or something for the middle of that. Oh, do you know what I've got? I've just spotted it. Except for it's got holes in there. Don't like it. No, never mind. Never mind. Oh, there you go. Perfect. I just wanted something slightly smaller to go in the middle. That's it. And then what I'm going to do is a nice... Oh, I forgot I bought these. Sometimes, Fee, you make the right decision. Yep. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Just a little bit of lace. Mixing and matching and a couple of trimmings. That is lovely. I'm going to actually make another one. Yeah, so I've got one of these instead. It doesn't matter that they're slightly different. Looks just as pretty. And again, I'm going to use one of the pearls. The pearl flowers. They just look stunning. So, if you're interested in these, they'll be for sale on the shop by the time this video goes up. The wedding flowers. Thanks for watching, take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.